Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Patrick Star. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw the eyes with two ovals that are touching in the center. Now let's add another oval inside each one towards the center here. And color these both in black. Now underneath, we're going to draw the mouth. We'll start with the curve up in the center. And then from each end, let's curve it out and up. And then add a small curve on each end. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start next to the mouth on each side and let's draw two angles up. Now let's continue them all the way up to the top, leaving a gap in the center. And now let's close off the top with a curve. Now that we have the shape of the head here, let's hop in and draw the eyebrows. On top of each eye, let's add an angled line. And let's make it thicker with some scribbles underneath like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Underneath each side, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve out and bring it in. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now inside on the belly, let's draw two curves at the bottom for the belly button. Next, let's hop out and draw the arms. On each side of the head, let's bring it down with a long curve. Now before we finish off the bottom of the arms, let's hop in and draw the shorts. On each side of the body, let's draw a bump down. And then curve it down slightly underneath. Now let's draw two long curves in, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's draw two angles up and a curve across at the top. Now that we have the shape of the shorts, let's hop in and let's draw the details. At the top, let's draw the waistband with a curve across. And now we're going to add a flower pattern in the bottom section. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a bump in. Another one on the right here. And one more going down in the center. Now let's add a smaller bump on the left. Another one underneath at the bottom. And then two bumps over on the right side. And that's it for the shorts. Now let's hop out and we can finish the arms. Underneath each side, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then let's hop to the bottom, and for the legs, let's draw two curves down, meeting at a point underneath each side of the shorts. And that's it for Patrick. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!